Hi, welcome back to our video discussion 3. We are from group 17, LAX2043. My name is Rachel Yoliwen. My metric number is 197176.
And my name is Chin Hui In. My metric number is 197511.
My name is Chanka E. My matrix number is 194162.
My name is Amy Amanda Lang Kuiman. My metric number is 192485.
My name is Wong Li Jing. My metric number is 192674.
So today, me and Amy will be the game master for the game Last Man Standing. So, do you want to explain?
So first, in a small group of people, we give, as the game master, we give them a theme, as in like what area do we want them to explain this vocabulary in, and then in that small group they will hold something, usually a balloon, and then we will just pass it around so that they can like say their own words.
So, I think we should play in 2 rounds. The first round is the vocabulary round. Then the second round we will play in a sentence where we can set the present tense, past tense and future tense. So whenever we pass the balloon to the person, she has to say, like for example, I give it to you, then I say I want you to say it in a present tense. So you must say like I'm sleeping, the present tense. Then you pass it to the another person, then you have to say it like maybe you want her to say in a future tense or past tense.
So, that means you will give me the question first, and then I will answer it, and after I answer the question, I will give another question to the other people, like that, right?
Yeah, but
yes.
the like every description that you make must be in the theme that we give.
Some things like what teams,
Like for example, hostel.
school. So the first round will be the vocab first, right?
Yes.
Like you give the team school, and I will give the vocabs like students, teacher, like that.
Yes.
So the vocab is all related to the theme. And the sentence also.
So
And the sentence is the same theme or another theme?
Another theme.
Another theme.
Yeah, so to make sure that this game flows is very fast for you to think fast, we're going to like limit it to like 2 to 3 seconds.
So within the time given, we have to answer the.
Yes.
if cannot, just
Then you're out of the
Then
game.
just fail.
Then we'll just play until the last man is the last person said left.
So what if I'm out during the first round of vocabulary? So for the second round sentence, I'm still in, or?
Yeah, we will reset the game.
Okay.
Okay. So the first round will play how many rounds for first round?
Until everybody dies.
Until there's only one winner.
Yeah.
Yes.
The last man.
Okay. I think okay.
So since we have answered all your questions, we will start the game now.
Okay.
Okay, so just now we already played the game. So
How do you feel?
What is your first impressions?
first impression, I feel like maybe for me I will feel like it's very difficult because my English is not so good. Then just now for the first round, the theme is the mathematics, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very it's very challenging because all of us are math students, statistics students. Then they have very many of the words about the mathematics. Yeah, that's very challenging.
And my opinion is different with yours, because I think the mathematics part is quite easy. Because we are all from mathematics department, so the vocab is really, we can easily think of the vocab in a very short time. So I really enjoy the first part, the vocab part, but the second part, the one with past tense, that one, because the theme given is hostel, right? And we normally in our daily conversation we only use like present tense, only limited to present tense, but during that time we have to think of future tense or past tense, which is we not really use it frequently in our daily life. So and with the time limit also, so it's quite challenging for me because I rarely use past tense or future tense in my daily conversation.
Yeah, I also think like that because I'm not use the proper English in daily life, but I only use the language.
And we mix with other language also.
Yeah, so it's quite difficult for me lah.
What about you?
So for me, I support the points from teaching because we are from maths departments, right? So the vocabs come from the mathematics. I think the game master also treat us better lah. Give the team like the mathematics.
It's very easy.
If like they give like ecology or agriculture, and we will give like soil,
Tree.
fertilizer like that. So I think
And
so-
limited vocabulary.
the vocab will be limited. So I think game master also treat us very good lah. I think lah. So thank you. I'll give you. So that is the part 1. So I think part 1 is quite nice. Okay, come from the part 2, the second round one, discussing giving the sentence like past tense and present tense. So I think that one okay lah. For me it's quite challenging and difficult also because normally in my daily life lah, I will like mix my language with the Bahasa Malay or Mandarin or what. So when comes to this situation like this, I need to give the proper language. So I will feel the difficult, and I keep changing the past tense and present tense in my brain. So I think it's very difficult for me, and somehow I need to give the future tense. I'm very difficult in giving the future tense sentence because in my primary school or secondary school, my grammar is very poor. So in this game section, so I can identify my weakness. So that's my point.
From what I see, because it's quite fast paced, and then even though there's a lot of words that you can use, you can't help but to like repeat some of the words because you're like, I think I haven't said it. I'm thinking about this word right now, and then I'm just going to say it, and then when you say it, then other people will, that one already mentioned before already, and then you have to stand up already. And then when it gets lesser and lesser, it gets more competitive.
And you feel like you want to answer it quickly, but a lot of words already used, right?
So become very panic attention.
So and the time limit is also like 2 to 3 seconds.
Yeah, it's quite challenging. You
Because
know?
you have to remember each of every word, and towards the end, the scope become quite limited because manual already being saying. So it's very challenging at the end. But at first, okay. At first, each of us can think very fast. But towards the end, we have to, with the time limit also.
So that's our vocab problem.
Yeah.
So I think we need to increase our vocab or what. So Rachel, you want to say something?
From what I see, like the first round it goes like very smooth, and like everyone can say it like maybe in 1 second or 1 to 2 seconds. But then like after a while the game keep going until like 3% left or 2% left, then like started to drag a bit more time to answer. So I feel the first round is still fine, but second round it requires more time and more thinking also. So you have to think like what tense to use. Is it correct, this tense or this like past tense, future tense? Like how do you use it and mix it like instantly? So I feel like the second round helps us a lot lah. Hope this game helps improve our vocabulary and the fast thinking also.
So any improvements that you want to do on the game?
I think the only problem is we are quite the people who play is only 3. Yeah, so I think this is the main problem because very fast. Yeah.
Because this game should be played like a bit.
6.
I think
Six
the
to
more the
seven
better lah.
Yeah.
So
Maybe you
the
can
word-
try with other friends next time.
Yeah.
Because if the group is many people, right, we can have more times to think.
Yeah.
Like our situation, only 3 people is only playing this game, so like.
So after 4 to 5 seconds, it's already our turn.
Yeah.
I just give a sentence and I just give the sentence only and then need to think another one quickly. So I think very difficult.
Yeah, because only 3%, then whenever come to me, then the worst in my mind is oh my god. I can't think anything. Yeah.
Yeah, because the theme is quite easy, but the thing is we have the point, we know what we want to say, but we had to construct it in according to the grammar, according to the past tense, present tense, future tense. So it takes time for us to reconstruct the sentence in a correct grammar.
Yeah.
And then I think if more people playing, then it's the advantage is you got more time to think, but then the disadvantage is like the person may already say your sentence.
Yeah.
But can we make this game more fun or what? Like any some
More harder, yes.
some other elements in this.
By the balloon, right? If it's possible, you can get a balloon which it gets blown, automatically blown, and then when you pass until like if you don't give it to the next person in time, and then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it suddenly pops. Then it
So
will
it
make
become more
nervous.
more exciting.
More exciting. But in my secondary school time, I also played these games like this, but it's in a storylines. So like Rachel as a game master will give the themes like the school, but it must be in a storyline. So first one I go to school, and then the second one will become
I met my friends.
I met my friends, and then we'll complete a one story like that. So we'll complete a one storyline, whole complete storyline like that.
I played that before, and then in the end it just sounds absurd. It's at the end they're just making up stupid things.
The story is not logic.
Yeah,
logic
but
at all.
it's quite funny because after that, I think what my teacher asked us to write whole story on the whiteboard, so we can find out what our mistake is.
So the game master will write the storyline on the whiteboard,
And then our teacher will say, yeah, you see, you keep using this word, and then your grammar here is make a mistake here, like that.
When I play that game, right, they don't give us like in a sequence. They will just like randomly point you, and then suddenly you have to continue, and then you continue, and then back to you again.
Randomly.
Yeah. So sometimes you don't really have a time to think. You just have to say out whatever is in your mind at the moment.
And like if we really want to improve our vocab, I think we can try some theme which is not related to our studies also. So like we are from maths, maybe we can try something from bio or physics, other area. So we get to expose to more different vocab.
Or maybe just general issues, worldly issues.
Yeah, improve our knowledge also rather than we just stick to our area.
Yeah.
So I think, you think this game user friendly or not?
I think it's quite user friendly. Sorry.
Because you can play it anywhere lah. Even
No need to prepare any equipment also, right?
Just a balloon if you want.
or you can just use your phone or anything that's
Or
around
set
you.
timer.
Set timer.
Set timer and then pass around.
And then it will play, and then it suddenly just shot.
Okay lah. So I think got improvement for this game. For me, got improvement. So I can identify my mistakes, especially the grammar one, because you in the daily life or just mix the language or what? Because I usually communicate in Mandarin or BM also because my surrounding is a surrounding
Most of
yeah,
them are Malay.
most of my friends are Malays and Chinese. So I really can speak in English. So to be honest, my language also quite poor. And then the vocab one I think okay also because the team is maths, right? I come from maths department, so it's easy for me. But if like give the like Li Jing said, give the current issue or what like that, you need to give the current issue for now. And I think I'm like quite weak in this part.
Maybe you just come out with COVID only.
Actually, I like the part when sometimes game master will point out our mistakes, so we know that where's our mistake, where is our grammar mistake. So it does improve our grammar because we usually like maybe we think this sentence is correct, but it's actually not. So we can improve from that also.
Throughout this game, I also can understand a bit what is the future tense.
Because before that we seldom use future tense, we only use present or past.
I think also.
Well, to make it more boring and more harder, you can use other kind of grammar also.
You can make it harder.
Like continuous
or complex sentence.
Or compound sentence.
Simple, compound, complex.
Yeah, I don't think that is a good idea.
This is the one we learned before, just to do some
Refresh.
revision. Compound sentence, complex.
Or maybe just like one person make simple, then the next person make it compound, and then the following person make it complex. And then you just add until it becomes a very, very, very complex sentence. So I think we already expressed our ideas on this game. So maybe we will conclude here. Okay, so we'll end the video here. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.